Hi, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the ordinary marine hyaluronics, which contains sea-derived ingredients that are rich in antioxidants and nutrients to help hydrate the skin and improve the overall skin's health over time. You can use it on all skin types daily in the morning and or evening, and it has similar benefits to the ordinary hyaluronic acid serum, with the difference that this one has a much lighter texture, therefore it is fast absorbing and won't leave a sticky residue afterwards. You can use this serum on its own or include it in your current existing skincare routine. Now this is where I want to head into an example morning and evening routine to go over the ORDAF application, and then later on I want to show you the application on my face. And as always, you'll find the timestamps and example skincare routines in the description box down below. Now let's look into the morning skincare routine. I took already care of the conflict, so if it targets your specific skin concerns, you can go ahead and recreate it at home. Now we're going to get started with the first step, which is properly washing your face. Then if you want to target your eye area, you can move on to an eye serum. This is an optional step. You can also exclude it if you do not feel the need of using one. Then after that, move on to the application of your marine hyaluronics. And then in addition to that, you can move on to another water-based serum for your skin concerns. I recommend using marine hyaluronics before other water-based serums because marine hyaluronics has a very lightweight and thin texture, so that it layers properly. And then after that, you can move on to your sunscreen to protect the skin if you have sun exposure. Now the evening skincare routine can look pretty much the same as your morning skincare routine, just without your sunscreen step. However, in case you want to include an exfoliating acid toner or serum, then this would be the setup. Start with non-exfoliating acid cleanser, then move on to your exfoliating acid toner or serum, then marine hyaluronics, then maybe an additional water-based serum, and then lastly your moisturizer. Now if you have, for example, worn a stubborn mineral sunscreen or waterproof makeup that your regular water-based cleanser isn't able to properly break down, I suggest using an oil or balm cleanser on its own, or do a double cleanse, using an oil or balm cleanser to break down your stubborn sunscreen and or makeup, and then if you still have missed certain areas or you are trying to remove the residue, then you can move on to your regular water-based cleanser to properly wash your face before continuing with the rest of your evening skincare routine. Now below the example routines, you always find the adjusted general guide on how much you're going to use of the individual products, plus how you would then use them. Plus in the evening skincare routine with exfoliant, you have a frequency guide as well. And then this would sum up an example morning and evening skincare routine on how you can include the ordinary marine hyaluronics. Now, if you want to go over the example routines in your own time, plus you want to see what products that I have picked with a little description next to it, for whom it is suitable, what it specifically does, so that you then can select the right treatments, I have it all for you in a PowerPoint. In addition to that, you'll find how you can do the patch test, the ORDAF application when using the ordinary products, the difference between damp and wet skin, some layering tips, and a sunscreen application and removal guide. It's all in the PowerPoint, and you'll find it in the description box down below, and you can even save it to your device. But now let's move on to the application. Before you're going to apply the ordinary marine hyaluronics, it is important to properly wash your face, choosing the right cleanser for your skin type and needs. Like the ordinary squalane cleanser, so in general an oil or balm cleanser, if you are trying to remove stubborn mineral sunscreen or waterproof makeup. Otherwise, if you're just trying to remove excess oil, dirt, sweat, light sunscreen or makeup, look into a regular water-based cleanser, like the ordinary glycolipid cream cleanser if you have a drier skin type, or the glucoside foaming cleanser if you have an oilier skin type. And remember to use lukewarm to warm water so that it feels comfortable on the skin and that the cleanser can work more effectively, but avoid hot water, otherwise it may dry out your skin. And in this example, I'm going to use the ordinary glucoside foaming cleanser. Now let's get started. To begin, wet your face with lukewarm to warm water. Next, squeeze out a coin-sized amount of cleanser. Foam it up between your hands, and then gently massage it all over your face and neck for about 30 seconds. Rinse well using your hands. If you prefer, you can use a soft, clean, damp microfiber washcloth to remove the last traces of cleanser, sunscreen and makeup. If you use the washcloth, then rinse your face again several times. Avoid applying skincare products to wet skin. Instead, Gently pat your skin dry with a clean towel to remove any remaining water droplets. This ensures proper layering and absorption of skincare products. Now you can directly apply the ordinary marine hyaluronics, or include an additional toner or exfoliating acid serum in between. For this demo, I'm going to skip this step and immediately move on to the application of the ordinary marine hyaluronics. To apply, dispense 5 to 8 drops into the palm of your hand. Rub your hands together and then evenly blend it over your face and neck, avoiding the eyelids and lips. Now let it absorb into the skin for at least 30 to 60 seconds before moving on to the next step. Then, if needed, you can include an additional water-based serum, like the ordinary niacinamide, alpha-butane or multipeptide serum, or the ordinary ascorbic glucoside solution. Just remember to choose the right treatments for your individual needs. Dispense about 3 to 5 drops of your favorite serum onto the hand or fingertips. Rub your hands together and then evenly blend it over your face, avoiding the eyelids and lips. You can include your neck if desired. Now let it absorb into the skin for 30 to 60 seconds. Then you can stop right here or move on to an additional moisturizer or use your sunscreen during the daytime to protect it from the damaging UV rays. Since this is an evening skincare routine, I'm going to continue with the ordinary natural moisturizing factors plus beta-glucan to show you the proper application. To use this, dispense about a bean-sized amount onto your fingertips. Rub them together and then evenly blend it over your face and neck. Do not rinse off. That's it, and remember, you'll find my example skincare routines plus additional information in the PowerPoint, which you'll find in the description box down below, and you can save it to your device. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational skincare content, and happy skincaring!